So in this question we're going to look at the TI and how we can work using the inverse normal. Now we use the inverse normal if we have an area. So let's have a look at this. Maths tests are normally distributed with a mean of 60 and a standard deviation. Just write out that information. So a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 12. Let's put that in 12 squared. Okay. 10% of the students gain the top mark, which is an A. What is the grade boundary for an A? Let's just carry on my diagram filling in that information. So here's the mean, which is 60. And the top mark means it comes here. And I'm just going to fill that in. And I'm going to say this part here, that's 10 or 0.1. And this is the mark required for an A. So let's just call that X because we don't know what it is. So I've got it visualized, and the reason I want to visualize that is because I now know the area is on the right hand side. When I go to my TI, I'm going to go to second, vars as normal, and I'm going to choose this one here, number 3. So I'm going to come down to number 3, which is inverse norm. Now if you press that, it's pretty straightforward. The area is 0.1, so it needs to be as a decimal. My mean was 60, if you can remember what my mean was 60, and my standard deviation was 12. And if you can remember that diagram, let's just double check it. The diagram, my area is on the right. So here we're going to say, yeah, we're on the right. So let's enter that. And then basically that's it. It should do it all for us. So if we come down and paste it, there's all the information. Press it and it says that it's 75.38, so maybe 75 rounded off would be our number. Now when I'm doing this, when I'm going to do this in an exam question, I would have all of this, because you could just get to your answer using the calculator and just write down x equals 75. If it's wrong, if you do a wrong calculation in your calculator, then you are going to get no marks. But drawing the diagram, all this information here, in this part here, is telling the examiner that you know what you're doing. And then if you make a mistake with a calculator, you're still going to get some marks.